Well, those were 11. This is the round of dishwasher. This right here is the main water source.
They have a wife.
Okay, give me a second. Is that there? Right here. This right here.
Make sure you get the corners.
Okay, it goes into the bottom one. This is the main water source. There is also one at the bottom. There's also a tiny one at the top. No clue what that thing is. Okay. So what you want to do if you're loading a knife into it, you don't put it face up. Okay, so as she said, what she said is true. If you put it like this, you'll stab yourself. So what you want to do is be safe. Put it face down. And also, the cups, what you're going to want to do is you gotta put them here. Because, well, this is just for my dishwasher. I don't know if you would put yours for a different model. Okay, these prongs right here are higher than these prongs. I just got the 10% battery message. Okay, for trying to find where my hand is. For these prongs right here, you are going to want to put like small little plates, like dessert plates, and bowls. Measuring cups, they do not go right here. They will flip upside down. They should go face down in the silverware holder. Butter knives and other silverware, like other metal silverware like this.
Take this.
As I was saying, other utensils like this, like metal ones that you use for like spreading butter, or the butter knife, spreading peanut butter, jelly, anything. You want to put it face up. Don't judge me.
But you're gonna get cut if it's a knife, Blue. Then you'll need a Dora or a Hello Kitty Band-Aid. Or if you prefer, you could have Duck Guy. I prefer.
I got the Monsters Inc. Band-Aid.
Okay, so this one was placed incorrectly. It was placed upside down. That's pretty much it. these you do not want to put apparently down there. I've always done that, but so what you're gonna want to do is put it right on the top. I always thought it would just flip over.
When she's all done, okay?
Okay, so
No baby.
things like this you are going to want to put on the bottom of the dishwasher. Also, you might want to run some hot water before starting your dishwasher. Which one's hot? Oh, no, it's not hot. So, put on hot water. And sorry for the background noise. We're making cookies. Also, this is just something random, but, you want to put stuff like this in your dishwasher.
Well, yeah, if we can get out, if it's not.
You want to put stuff like this in the dishwasher.
No, why don't you give her her bath?
So yeah,
Okay, then you get your shower.
and so yeah.